Hey guys, it is Krabby Pig's Saturday, and as promised, today is the other ruko, the one I picked last time. Yeah, I picked it, but I didn't SPP it though. It is this one. This is the one that easily was raked, sipped, and rocked open. But this time, this is a bit harder, and I am almost 100% sure I can't rake, sip, and rock this, but there is always a chance, so we will try, and I will do it in hand, I think. Same Krabby Pigs as all the other times. Let's see, these are the ones we need. And don't need those. We can't use that one. And I think the rest is pretty much there. Okay. Would this fit? Yeah. Let's try. Okay. Let's try some raking first here with the bad rake, as I call it. And I can't even get in the back of the lock, so that is not gonna work. Where's the other raking thing? I don't know what that is. Let's see if we can get into the back with it. Not really effectively. No. Okay, we should be able to use a half diamond, so let's try. Yeah, that works at least. But will it open? Only time shows. That be damned, I didn't think it would work. Huh, okay. And this also have one of those shooting shackles because of rust. Come on, lock up again. What? There we go. So the half diamond did work. Let's see if the W rake will do as well. But again, it will still surprise me if I manage to do it again. Not that one. Okay, let's rock with this thing, whatever that is. There we go, now I got it in. And the whole pig turned inside, that didn't work. Come on. No, it doesn't even move that well in there. Let's try the L rake. That moves a bit easier and better inside, at least in this one. But it doesn't seem to set the pins quite right. And it also turned. No. Okay. Let's give that single pin picking a go. Small click on one. nothing on 2, click on 3, have trouble getting on the 4, gotta click on 4, and trouble getting on the 5, gotta click on 5, and I click on 4, again on 2, and I click on 1, and click on 3, click on 4, come on, they keep turning in the keyway, so I'm trying to figure out which position to hold them in. And it must be overset. Click on 3. Click on 5. I really can't get that under the pins. And every time I do get under the pin, I lose the feeling because I don't know what pin I'm on anymore. Okay, click on 1, nothing on 2, small click on 3, small click on 4, and a tiny click on 5. Click on 1, nothing on 2, 3, 4, or 5. Click on 4, 2, and possible overset on 1. Click on 3, click on 4, click on 1, click on 3 again, and now nothing. So I can say that, at least without finishing these picks, which I already from the beginning of the series said that I hate these hooks. The profile is nice, but for some reason I just can't pick anything with them. That is much easier with the other set, which I will do in this series when I'm done in, I think, 2 weeks. I think I have 2 more locks for this set, and then I do the same with the other set. But at least we opened it with the half diamond, so it is possible to open with these picks, and I do believe with finishing these picks will be better, which means it will be easier to pick. And just to show you that the key from the one I picked last week don't work on this one, because it don't. It really don't work on this one, so it isn't the same bidding. And if it was, I should have been able to pick it just as easy, right? Alright guys, that's all for this Saturday. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.